Ever pondered over the secrets behind hyper-realistic sketches? Today we'll unravel the mystery and guide you step by step on this artistic journey. The journey begins with the right set of tools. Quality pencils with varying hardness ranging from 6H to 8B, smooth heavy paper like Bristol board or fine-grained sketchbook, a top-notch eraser, blending tools such as blending stumps and tortillons, and a reference image. Remember, the right tools are the first step towards creating a masterpiece. Moving on, the magic of light and shadow comes into play. Observing how light falls on your subject and creates shadows is key. Highlight, mid-tone, and shadow areas in your reference image are your roadmap to a lifelike sketch. Layering and gradation are the next steps. Starting with a light pencil and gradually moving to darker ones adds depth and detail to your work. A light touch to avoid harsh lines, varied pressure for realistic textures and gradients is the way to go. A blending, a critical element in hyperrealism, aids in smoothing transitions between different tones. The direction of blending impacts texture and appearance, so don't be afraid to experiment and find what suits your subject best. Patience and precision are virtues that will take your sketch from good to great. Take your time, focus on small sections, and pay close attention to the details. Fine lines for intricate features and textures can be your secret weapon to bring out the realism in your subject. Don't overlook the negative space and background of your sketch. A well-detailed background can enhance the overall realism of your drawing. Subtle details and values in the negative space can make your subject pop. And finally, practice and observation. Regular sketching and studying real-life subjects will hone your observational skills. In a nutshell, mastering hyper-realistic sketching is an art that demands patience, precision, and a keen eye for detail. It's a rewarding journey that's as much about the process as it is about the end result. So, pick up those pencils, draw inspiration from the world around you, and start creating. Remember, every artist was first an amateur. Until next time, keep sketching